Here we are on Lake Matagamasi.
Bag swap.
Bag swap. Ryan and Christian just came from about 1.5 kilometers down that way.
What a beauty start.
Definitely. Beauty day.
Good.
40 pounds, no problem. Christian in his brand new kayak, breaking it in. First dump.
Where's your phone?
Christian just decided to jump off his kayak into the water. Nice. Go for a little dip.
Nice and wet now. I thought you were doing that on purpose when I first saw you jump over. I completely lost my balance. I'm standing up paddleboarding on this thing last time. I wonder if you're sideways.
I mean, we're sideways to the waves too, so that doesn't help. Yeah. Hello there.
Hey, I can't see it. I can't tell there.
Boys out for a dip. Woo! The bugs are getting me.
I had to get out of the way. I bet. I was going. Wow, that cold water feels really good. Sorry for shark attacking you there. That's okay. Wait, I think I see fork. No way. What did he say? Fork? Oh, you do? Spoon. What the hell? Spoon. This is perfect. I'll cook with this. I just have plastic ones. It's perfect. Nice. This is the nicest lake so far. Okay. This is the nicest lake. Oh, I love that.
Morning. Yesterday we went from Lake Madagascar and then we portaged about 315 meters into the Paradise Lagoon. From there, another portage into Sylvester Lake and then into Wolf Lake. So it was a good 4-5 hour trek because I went swimming for half an hour at the lagoon. Sat in the falls. It was a really good time. So yeah, today we've got about another 4-hour trek, a few portages. But it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day.
Pulling up the fort.
Nice. Well, this is what we're dealing with. Trekking through the swamp.
I freaking love my canoe. What's that?
I was gonna bring it all back.
Oh yeah, okay. Let me grab a bag for it, put it in.